Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to share all the news regarding the CMC coin market cap, what is basically going on in coin market cap, and secondly, I will basically show the update news. Basically, I shared a video, I think a week before, in which I told everyone that right now you have to buy this coin, and that coin already achieved his target. So right now we are going to share that one token with you, and also such a great news regarding the CMC and also for the traders and the Bitcoin investors. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, I will show you the CMC at this time at the making of this video time. Basically, the price of 1 BTC is about $7,599, and you can also see the price of Ethereum. It is about $196.19, and in last 24 hours the BTC basically grow up to, you can say, 0.85%, and also the Ethereum basically uptrend towards 3.96%. So it is such a great news for all the holders, but the best news is for those who work on our signals. Right now I will show you that one basically stats. Right now the bomb token price is $1.07. So that is such a great news. Basically, I shared a news at that time and tell all the users to buy this token and to hold this token and to add this token in their portfolio, and anyone who basically bought this token at that time, he is already gain a number of profit. But it is not the end, because very soon you can see a huge plunge of price in the bomb token price. Right now the price is about $1.07, but very soon you can see the price will basically grow up to 1.75 or $1.80 in maximum, you can say, next 2 weeks. So it is a great news for all the holders who bought the token at our signals. So you must have to see this one, and every time whenever I am going to share any type of the token signal with you, you must have to see that one token first of all, because very soon, as I told you, the bomb token is basically going to upload their own mobile app in which you can basically hold up your own bomb token and also the other crypto coins. So definitely that news helping at this time the bomb token to increasing the price, because the fiat currency is adding in the bomb token at this time. If you are still wanted to buy the bomb token, you have the chance to buy this token directly in multiple pairs and also from multiple exchanges. Right now it is available on the Mercatox exchange, on the Hotbit exchange, so you have the chance to buy this token directly from there. Secondly, a best news is about the deflation. Right now the people, everyone, especially the traders and the holders of the crypto, are asking a same question, that the deflation will basically decrease the price of BTC or increase the price. Here you can see the why global deflation may not be bad news for Bitcoin. Here basically I am basically reading that one article. Here you can see each and everything. The top cryptocurrency by market value is widely considered to be hedged against inflation because its supply is capped at 21 million and its monetary policy is pre-programmed to cut the pace of supply expansion by 50% every 4 years. As we all know regarding the halving, that after every 4 years basically the 50% of reward basically cut off from that. So definitely that will help the Bitcoin to grow. So definitely the inflation will not basically you can say decrease the price of BTC at this time. Here you can also see, as such, one may consider any deflationary collapse as a price bearish development for Bitcoin. Talk of deflation began earlier this month after the US reported massive job losses, okay, because the number of job loses up from the US as okay in the starting, but after the whole scenario at this time, the lockdown scenario and everything, basically right now the thing are at this time the things are very bad for all the countries all over the globe. So but at this time the main point is this, that basically deflation is not going to basically decrease the price of BTC. So every trader and every holder, you don't have to worry regarding it, because very soon, as we all know, it is about I think 15 days are left for the halving. So definitely the price will grow up, not going down. So stay tuned with us. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button. And also the basic thing is this: you must have to keep an eye on our signals, because every time when we give the signals to you regarding any token that are 100% appropriate, so here you can see it by yourself. This is the result which you got from our signals. Thanks a lot.